Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, this first checking PC board, lockout 1 and lockout 2. This is have two compressor. So lockout 1 means compressor 1 and lockout 2 means compressor 2. So if in case any alarm here blinking, if in case speed blinking, it will get HP. When get is low blink, that time is LP. This is a function of PC board. If in case LP, that time a light blink is slow, and if in case HP, that time light blink is high. So the second step is we are checking how to LP, HP and OLP with the continuity method. So first of all, we are checking in here drawings. So we are checking drawings here, control connections for transformer to external terminal block, and getting a smoke detector and getting UVM. UVM means like this one, and it going to one terminal and going to straight. It is going to loop with the LP switch. So LP switch and getting loop with 23A. 23A means here. This one is, I think this one is 23A. And see, next 23 after HP switch, and 24A, 24A, and getting jumper. This is coming for OLR and 27. It's switching on safety relay and getting safety relay and to control relay. This one control. So now second step is I will mention how to checking.